From the toughest of hardwoods to the most delicate of softwoods, this drill does it all. The heavy-duty 100% metal ratcheting chuck grabs on like a gator and never lets loose until desired. Set to low speed when driving screws and fast when drilling holes. Get additional pinpoint speed control with the step-modulated variable speed trigger. All this functionality is backed by a though under fire 100% metal transmission. No flimsy plastic gearing that slips and wears down over time. Illuminate your work surface before drilling and driving. Tap the trigger and the integrated LED lights up for 10 seconds, allowing you to set your screws and drill bits in the right place before pulling the trigger without an additional light source. Featuring iLoop Smart Sensor technology, Floor 1S3 detects wet, dry messes on sealed hard floors and intelligently adjusts suction power and water flow for completely clean results. Floors dry quickly and streak-free. Cordless, lightweight and easy to use, Floor 1S3 extends runtime up to 35 minutes with intelligently optimized suction and battery power. Variable speed trigger for increased control, pivoting shoe for increased control, tool-free blade change, BLACK+DECKER's highest capacity battery pack for the 20V Max system of tools. The 20V Max 4.0 op pack has 2x the capacity as the LBXR 2020. Whether you're updating or renovating, adding tile to your kitchen or bathroom is now easier than ever with the Skil 7-inch wet tile saw. The saw's innovative HydroLock system keeps water splash to a minimum so tiles can be cut in the room where they're being installed. You no longer need to go back and forth to a saw set up in the garage or outside to cut the tiles. So the Skil tile saw with HydroLock system helps you finish the project faster too. The 3550 works with a 7-inch continuous rim diamond blade, which provides efficient and even cutting. It also comes equipped with a durable rust-resistant aluminum tabletop and a sliding side extension that can be used to support tiles up to 18 by 18 inch. ENERTWIST cordless screwdriver equipped with higher performance 8 volts motor, delivers improved 88 in lbs, 10 Nm, max torque for a wide range of drilling and fastening applications. Manual mode torque 10 Nm max. 21 clutch plus 1 drill setting for precision and control based on the application. No load speed 230 RPM for fastening, drilling into wood, plastic and light gauge metal. 1/4 inch hex allows for quick screwdriver bit change and holds 1-inch bit tips. Cordless electric screwdriver battery powered by 1500 mAh built-in lithium-ion battery for long-lasting use. Adjustable dual position handle allows for operation in either inline or pistol grip. Brighter built-in LED light illuminates the work surface operated by a separate switch, provides illumination for more accurate work. Avid power impact wrench is designed with unique friction design instead of bearing ball, which can hold sockets onto the anvil more tightly and allow more smooth sockets changes. Equipped with a high-spec powerful motor, this impact wrench provides maximum productivity by removing rusted on or over-tightened nuts and bolt. The max tightening torque is 3,983 in lbs and max loosening torque is 4,465 in lbs. Not only suitable for removing tires from cars, commercial vehicles, motorcycles, trucks, and trailers, but also can be used for automotive repairs, major construction projects, heavy equipment maintenance, or product assembly. The cement mixer is equipped with a 500W120V5A motor, speeds up to 1750 RPM, handles stucco, mortar, or concrete at 26.7 RPM. Not only is ideal for commercial use, but also for agricultural use, like inoculating seeds and mixing feeds. Drum capacity. Features a 4 cubic feet, roughly 113 L, mix capacity. The multi-functional concrete cement mixer can finish the mixing work efficiently and quickly. 15 inches drum diameter is wide enough to make adding dry mix easy. Brad nail gun with a continuous fire rate, so no need to take your finger off the trigger. Hold the trigger and bump the nose on your desired object up to 30 nails or staples per minute in a depth adjustment. Portable staple gun and nail gun suitable for 18-gauge staples from 5/8 to 1 inch length and 18-gauge T-brad nails from 5/8 to 1 to 1/4. Includes 1 3/4 narrow crown staples and 1 3/4 T-brad nails. A 4.8 amp powerful copper motor provides 3700 RPM no load speed to smoothly cut wood, metal, tile, aluminum and plastics in a single pass. Copper motor delivers less heat than general copper-clad aluminum motor to drastically extend your saw's lifetime. Replacement carbide inserts design. Durable to use and easy to change inserts, no need for sharpening cutter. Designed for 45-degree chamfer and R3, 1/8 inch round edge trimming. One single carbide insert features both straight and 1/8 inch round cutting abilities. Double cutter design. It holds 2 cutters at a time. You can chamfer rounded corner and 45 degree at the same time, no need to change cutter. Adjustable blade depth design. One side it is graduated with them and on the other side is inch scales. Very easy to fine-tune. Chamfer plane is made of aluminum alloy material. Excellent workmanship. Perfect hand comfortable, hard and firm.